Barangay Ginebra now stands at 6-3 after toppling Blackwater. Congratulations, Coach Tim Cone, and our player of the game, RJ Abarientos. Coach Tim, it was evident how Ginebra just had a spring in your step. Everyone was just energized, especially when you finally brought Jamie back into action. What did it mean to you personally and the guys just finally having him back after all these long months?
Well, for Jamie himself, I mean, it's been a long, long road for him, and we've watched him from the side and seen him, the work he's done. So it was just a culmination of the hard work of getting back into the lineup. We had minute restrictions on him. We'll try to continue to monitor his minutes for the next few games. Hopefully, they'll increase incrementally as the games come along. So. Today was about 12 to 15. Maybe the next game will be 15 to 18, and we'll continue to monitor him and how he's responding after every game.
Thank you so much, Coach Tim. RJ, on to you. This is your third best player of the game this conference in 6 games. Paano mo ginamit yung lessons from your last game against Northport to come out stronger for Ginebra and get this win against Blackwater today?
Siguro yung motivation lang namin is yung struggles din namin before yung mga past games namin. So, for us na going to the playoffs, siguro ito na yung start namin para mabuo yung team. So, sabi niyo, Jamie's back to us na talagang hinihintay din ng lahat. So, we're very happy na unti-unti bumabalik yung mga players namin na galing injury. So, itong game na itong Blackwater na to, siguro stepping stone lang to going to the playoffs. So ito na yung start namin, and then we just need to move on, and then we just need to rest for this night, and then let's see for the next practice paano kami makakapag bawi sa mga iba pang mali namin ngayong game.